Leaks and rumors about Samsung's next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, have been swirling around for a while now, even before the Fold 6 and Flip 6 were officially launched. But today, we finally have something juicy, a potential price leak. According to Panda Flash Pro on X, Samsung won't be changing the prices for these upcoming foldables. That means the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to start at $1899, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could land at $1099, just like their predecessors. On the bright side, you're getting upgraded hardware for the same price, a rare sight in today's market. But if you were hoping for foldables to finally become more affordable, this might be a letdown. However, there's a wild card here. Leaks suggest Samsung is launching 4 foldable models this year. Maybe the other 2 will bring more budget-friendly options. Fingers crossed. So, the question is, will there be major changes? Reports say not really, at least not this year. Samsung seems to be taking the same approach as the Galaxy S25 series, focusing on software enhancements rather than big hardware upgrades. That said, there's talk of the Z Flip 7 getting a bigger display and possibly even an Exynos chip. It looks like Samsung might be saving the major design changes for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8 in 2026. If you're waiting for something groundbreaking, you might have to hold off until then. And based on past releases, we can expect Samsung to unveil these foldables later this year. The Fold 6 and Flip 6 were revealed in July 2024, breaking Samsung's usual August launch pattern. Will they stick to July again? We'll have to wait and see. So, are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7? Or are you hoping for something more ambitious? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care.